Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to add page numbers in Google Slides. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser and I just type a Google Slides. I have prepared a lot of Google Slides over there. So as you see here, my presentation is ready, so I can able to show to my clients. So this is my presentation. I would like to add the page number so that I can able to identify which page number I am talking about. Everything I can able to understand. So how to insert the page number? So in my slides, what I have to do here? So first and foremost, just go to insert menu on top of your menu bar, and here you will find option called slide numbers. Once you click a slide numbers, there will be a on and off option. So just enable this one called on and skip the title slides. Just hit the title slide checkbox. While you skip that one means the title slide never get any numbers. So from second slide onwards, the page number will be applied. So just click here to apply means automatically you will get a slide numbers as you see here. So the number 2 and number 3 and number 4, number 5, number 6 will be added over here. So the slide number 1 will be removed from the title one, so that you can able to identify and you can able to see that. For example, I just want to insert or remove the slide numbers mean just go to the same insert menu, just go to slide numbers. There will be a off option, so you can off means the entire slide number will be closed as you see here the models. Now I just go to insert menu and I just go to slide numbers. I can apply for the selected slides also. I just click and apply means selected slide only will apply that page number. Well, I just want to add this slides need a page number means just choose the slides and just go to insert menu, slide numbers, and I just click here for apply for the current slide. So it will skip into the 2 slides and it will add into the 5th slide as you see here. Second slide, third and fourth no page number, and 5th has the page number, so that I can able to, this will be a hint for my presentation while I present to my audience means the 5th slide after that the video will be played like that. I can able to remember, I can able to check it out from that. So this is a beautiful option which is given from the Google Slides. You can go to insert and slide numbers, you can use the slide number or you can remove the slide numbers. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching dear friends. Have a great and good day.